Hello and welcome to the first Library Kits Unboxed. My name is Tammy Kruger. I'm the literacy specialist here at North Dakota State Library, and we are going to unbox some of our kits. The kit of today is the Yoto. Okay, so first of all, what is a Yoto? So a Yoto is this little machine. It's just for audio, so there's no camera, there's no microphone. It's something that's super kid-friendly. And what it allows them to do is a few different things. They can listen to story cards, or they can listen to a daily news from the Yoto Daily News story, or they can listen to music. It's all very kid-friendly. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at it for a second of the components. First of all, we have our power button right here. Go ahead and turn it on. And then we have our charging port. This dial affects the volume, and this dial is to change the channel or the track. So if you have chapter books, you'd have different tracks on them. Okay. Up top, we have a slot for the story cards. And then on the side, it actually operates as a nightlight. So this is something that could be put in a kid's bedroom, turned upside down, and then they have that little bit of light there. All right, so all of the Yoto kits come with these features. The actual Yoto itself, obviously. A charging cord. They do not have cubes, so just keep that in mind. A folder with information about the kit. We have a set of story cards. So in this case, it's Llama Llama. So any parents and librarians out there that are like, my kid loves Llama Llama Red Pajama. Yeah, it's that kid. Have that. And then we have a copy of all of the books that are included in the kit. So this one's going to have 10 different Llama Llama books in it. So basically how this works is, first of all, you have to connect your Yoto to the internet. So you're going to have to download an app onto either your smartphone or your tablet. And how to do all that is going to be in the instructions in this folder. It's going to ask if you want to join an account. Please do not. Sharing is caring in this case. We want to share these across the state. Do not join an account. It's going to lock it up. But you can go ahead and do that, like make it connect to the internet without joining the account. It's just, again, the steps will be in that folder. So once you do that, you can either go ahead and play a story card. So you just insert the card in that top slot.
Llama Llama
and it should start automatically.
Reads a story with his mama.
If by chance it doesn't, just play around with your
Mama
volume.
Kisses
Okay.
his hair. Mama
and then your other option is those, for lack of a better term, radio stations. So if you do that other dial and you turn it and then you push it in, it'll start playing.
Hello out there from me in here.
And this is the Yoto Daily News. So the Daily News has a topic every single day. Yesterday, it was about space. Today, I think it's about like a special laundromat. So they have that. And then you can go ahead and change. And then it'll play music. All right, so that's how that basically works. For more information about our kits, you're going to go to the LibGuides on North Dakota State Library. And then if you go under programming and then STEM kits, it will show you all of the kits we have, but you can definitely see, information about these. The only Yoto that we currently have in the library is the Llama Llama, but we do have two other sets of series. We have Pout Pout Fish, and then we have the first four of the Boxcar Children.